Hello, and welcome to V Sky Speaks. We will be getting into the history of black women. Today, we will be getting into the history of Valerie Thomas, a scientist and inventor. Let's get into it. Valerie Thomas was born February 8th, 1943. She is an American data scientist and inventor. She invented the illusion transmitter for which she received a patent in 1980. She was responsible for developing digital media formats that image processing systems used the early years of NASA Landsat program. Thomas was born in Baltimore, Maryland. She graduated from high school in 1961 during the era of integration. She attended Morgan State University, where she was one of the two women majoring in science courses at Morgan State University, graduating with a degree in physics with highest honors in 1964. Thomas began working at NASA as a data analyst in 1964. She developed real-time computer systems to support Satellite Operation Control Center. 1964 through 1970, she oversaw the creation of the Landsat program, expanded upon the works of other NASA scientists in the pursuit of being able to visualize Earth from space. In 1974, Thomas headed a team of approximately 50 people for the Large Area Crop Inventory Experiment, LACIE, a joint effort with the NASA Johnson Space Center, the National Oceanic Atmosphere Administration, NOAA, and the U.S. Department of Agriculture, LACIE, demonstrated the feasibility of using satellites to automate the process of predicting wheat yield on a worldwide basis. She attended a science exhibition in 1976 that included an illusion of a light bulb that appeared to be lit even though it had been removed from the socket. The illusion, which involved another light bulb, concave mirrors, inspired Thomas. In response to her curiosity, she began her researching a potential patent in 1977. This involved creating an experiment in which she observed how the position of a concave mirror would affect the real object that is reflected through it. Through her discovery and experimentation, she would invent an optical device called the illusion transmitter. On October 21st, 1980, she obtained the patent for the illusion transmitter, a device NASA adopted and which was later adapted for screens on devices ranging from surgery tools to television. Thomas became Associate Chief of the Space Science Data Operations Office at NASA. Thomas' inventions has been depicted in a children's fictional book, television, and in video games. In 1985, as the NSSDC facility manager, Thomas was responsible for a major consolidation and reconfiguration of two previously independent computer facilities. She then served as the Space Physics Analyst Network project manager from 1986 through 1990 during a period when SPAN, which is short for Space Physics Analyst Network, underwent a major reconfiguration and grew from scientific network with approximately 100 computer nodes to one directly connecting approximately 2,700 computer nodes worldwide. Thomas' team was credited with developing a computer network that connected research stations of scientists from around the world to improve scientific collaboration. In 1990, Spain became a major part of NASA science networking and today's internet. She also participated in projects related to Halley's Comet, ozone research, satellite technology, and Voyager spacecraft. She mentored students in mathematics, aerospace research, and technology. Thomas often spoke to groups of students from elementary school, secondary, college, and university ages, as well as adult groups. As a role model for her community, she visits schools and national meetings over the years. She has mentioned students working in summer programs at Goddard Space Flight Center. She also judged science fairs working with organizations such as the National Technical Association (NTA) and Women in Science and Engineering (WISE). At the end of August 1995, she retired from NASA. After retiring, Thomas served as an associate at the UMBC Center for Multi-Core Hybrid Productivity Research. She also continued to mentor youth through the science, mathematics, aerospace research, and technology and the National Technical Association. UMBC stands for the University of Baltimore County. I just wanted to let y'all know that. Notable achievements. Thomas has received numerous awards, including the Goddard Space Flight Center Award of Merit and the NASA Equal Opportunity Medal.